Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you Course C today, and we will be working on Lesson 10, Loops with Rey and BB8. So I'll click on the first video, and this is a video about programming with Rey and BB8, and you could watch this on your own. Click Continue. This is Puzzle 2, and unlike Laurel the Collector, you don't need to tell BB8 to pick up the medal. As long as BB8 rolls over the medal, he will surely know how to collect it. So right now, think about what directions would you give BB8 to collect all 3 scrap metal? You could pause the video and think about it. Okay, so it looks like BB8 has to move forward. Move forward? Wait a second. How many times does he have to move forward? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has to move forward 5 times. Now, instead of doing this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we discuss a special block called the repeat block. And this repeat block, if I just pull one move forward inside the repeat, this means the same thing as these 5 blocks. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to put it on the side. I'm going to replace it with the repeat block. I'm going to put it, these two mean the same thing. And I'm going to click run. Forward, 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 forward. Awesome job. Click continue. So, all right, in puzzle 3, this one is a little different because it's a multiple choice. What do you think will happen when you click run? Now, look at this algorithm. It looks very similar to what we put together in puzzle 2. Now, do you think BB8 will not move? Is it B, BB8 will not move? Will move only one space, BB8 will move 5 times and get all of the scrap metal? Or D, I don't know. Okay, I hope you choose one of the above, A, B, or C. Okay, try that on your own. In 4, this is a video about repeat blocks with BB8, so watch that on your own. And I'm going to go straight to puzzle 5. All right, in puzzle 5, to get all of the scrap metal, try creating a loop that uses only one block inside of a repeat block. So BB8 now is at the bottom of the puzzle, and there is a gray circle that indicates 1, and that means you can only use one move forward block. Once I drag it out or connect it, okay, this takes away the move forward. Now, I'm going to bring it down a little bit. I'm going to use a repeat block because as we discussed earlier, BB8 moves forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I'm going to connect that. Click run. Good job. I would like you to try puzzle 6 on your own, and we're going to move right into puzzle 7. For puzzle 7, here's BB8. Okay, we look at the blocks. We only have 2 move forward blocks that we can use, which means in order for him to move, we're going to need to use the repeat 5 times. Now, where he is, he needs to move forward, and then he needs to turn right. This is his face. He's facing me or the player right now. So you can pretend to be him and stand up, get out of your chair or get off of what you were sitting on. Stand up and see if you're turning right or turning left. Okay, so he has to turn right, or you can test it by running. Okay, perfect. So he's turning in the right direction. And from here, he needs to go forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to take the repeat 5 times, take it out, take the move forward block, connect it inside the repeat loop, and click reset. All right, good job. In puzzle 8, it says loops even work with more than one block inside. Can you loop the sequence? Now here it says move forward, move forward, move forward, turn right. If I run it, all right, now think about it. If I put a repeat loop around all of this, how many times is BB8 going to move forward, move forward, move forward, and turn right? What is the pattern? So he does it once here, and if he goes up 3 times, he does it a second time, and if he turns right, he does it a third time. So I'm going to change my repeat number to the number 3, and then now click reset. Yay, good job. Click continue. All right, in puzzle 9, let's look at BB8 and figure out what pattern we can get him to use in a loop to collect all of the scrap metal. Now, here's BB8. I know he has to move forward so far. Move forward, then turn right. Then move forward. Move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward. Let's see where he is right now. Move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward. Okay, that's where he is. He's going to move, turn right. Oops. And then move forward. I'm wondering if you're noticing a pattern that's happening. Okay, so far so good. Now, what we're doing right now, the strategy is to program every command first and then figure out where the pattern is. So turn left, he's right here, forward. He's going to turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, and move forward. Let's see what happens. Oops, I missed one more. Okay, turn right and forward. Now, just to save some time, I know that this will complete the puzzle. Now, we're moving a lot. We're moving forward, turning right, moving forward, turning left. And it looks like we're repeating that a few times. Now, let's see if we can find the pattern of how many times it repeats. So it looks like forward, right, forward, left, forward, right, forward, left. Oh, these two kind of match. Okay. And let's see if this matches. Forward, right, forward, left. Match. Forward, right, forward, left. Match. Forward, right, forward. And I guess we can put a left. It doesn't really matter because he's not picking up any more metal scraps. But here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of blocks that BB is repeating. So I'm going to pull out the repeat block, put these 4 commands inside, and see if this works. Reset. Awesome. Now you can keep playing, and if you come up with a new solution, go ahead and try it. You don't have to copy the one I created. Okay, now we come to the challenge puzzle, and I bet you're going to need the strategies that you used in the previous puzzles to help you. Now, this pattern where BB8 is, it looks very similar to what we were just doing earlier, where he's going forward and then turning left and then going forward. So before I continue putting more commands, I want you to pause this video, try it on your own, and really look through and plan out what you think BB8 is going to do, at least up to where I'm clicking my mouse right now. Because when it comes to this part where he's moving up, this part, definitely, we know he's going to repeat moving forward. How many times here? Well, it depends where he gets up to, but eventually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he's going to move 4 or 5 times. But before that, this one belongs in a separate loop of its own. And so I want you to think about what strategies you have in place. So pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so coming back, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. And it looks like, just like the last puzzle, he does this. Turn left, move forward, turn right. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, about 5 times. So I'm actually going to try this. Repeat, put the commands, 4 commands in here, and we'll see what happens. Okay, awesome. So he collected all of those. Now where he's standing, he's facing us, or the player, right? How can I get him to turn around to collect that? Oh, actually, let's try something new. Let's connect this repeat block. I'm going to remove the move forward. Or actually, I don't need to move the move forward. I'm going to keep it back here. And it looks like he could go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope BB8 doesn't get a headache. Okay, let's try. See now, if you don't want him to go backwards, another thing you could think about is having him turn. He might need to turn left 2 times so he could face forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! Good job, guys. All right. If you don't want him to go backwards, I'm not sure if you heard me earlier, you can use the left turn 2 times so that he faces forward 1 more time. All right. Good job. I'm going to have you try 11 and 12 on your own. I'm going to bring you straight to puzzle 13. And in puzzle 13, it's going to be another multiple choice question. So read the code, okay? Repeat 2 times, move forward, and pretend you're BB8 and you're moving forward. Then turn left, okay? And move forward. 1, 2, 3. And see if this matches what is asked of BB8. Do you think BB8 will travel too far in the first loop? Will BB8 not travel far enough in the first loop in order to get all of the scrap metal? Or BB8 will collect all of the scrap metal with no problems? Or you don't know. I really want you to choose A, B, or C and really think about it. Pretend you're BB8 and you're standing there and follow each of these commands and see what happens. All right? Good luck. And let me just show you lesson extras. In lesson extras, there are 2 bonus levels that you can try at the end of lesson 10. And good luck. Happy coding, and I'll chat with you soon.